Hey, Elizabeth here with Riverbend Homes in Lewiston, Idaho. Today I'm going to show you a Cedar Canyon 2070. It is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 611 square feet. It is 49.5 long and 14.9 wide, and it is a single section. Let's go check it out. One bedroom, 1 bathroom, perfect little cabin, Airbnb, whatever you want. Got some mosaic backsplash there. Black appliances, which come standard. Stainless steel sink. Got the raised sidewall with some transom windows up top. This is your electrical panel. Half-lit door. You can build a porch off the side. Bathroom. Now in this bathroom there's an area for a washer and dryer stackable. And your bedroom. 2 closets in this bedroom. There you have it.
Well, everyone seems a damn genius lately. TikTok talking, late night TV is still so much I have yet to know.
Real open, nice living room area.
Go downtown in some ego-filled late night crowd.
You've got an 8-foot porch on this.
Most alone. I like to get lost on some old back road.
This is what the outside looks like.
A honey hole and talk to my grandpa again.
Take you all the way around.
I see God in everything, trees and paint and knots in. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby drive your kind eyes. I think it's a
got your water connection right here. You can see the raised sidewall from the outside, which makes the ceiling taller, giving it more space. Patio outlet. Let me know what questions you got.